It's officially my birthday. Oh, gifts. I think this is from a follower. How did she get my address? It's very heavy. Oh my, at first literally tears were coming, but I was so shocked. No clue at all. Hi everyone, it's July 31st. It's a few hours before I turn 25.
Right.
Please babe, it's the truth. Are you excited for your first, what do you say, first birthday as a wife? I'm always excited on my birthday. Some people are not, I know, but I'm always excited no matter what.
You have high expectations.
Yeah, that is true. Where are you going?
So Akhil is always worried, not worried, he's always like stressed out on my birthday because I have like high expectations from everyone to deliver. What? Yeah, I love birthdays. Like, what do you want me to do about it? You know, I can't help my feelings. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wash my hair. I straightened it, not liking the look. I'm gonna go back to my curly hair and enhance the curls with tongs later on for it to look a little bit more enhanced. But yeah, what I think is, I think my friends are gonna come over. They said they're gonna come outside the gate to wish me because I don't want people coming inside. Let's go for a groom session. For my face, I think I'm just gonna do like a scrub maybe. Should I? I should do a scrub. I should do a scrub. I did this before my wedding day also, and right now also I'm using the Wishful scrub. So I'll use this. Alright, I'm at my house. It took me a while to get here. And dude, can I just mention a friend of mine? Her name is Sneh. And she's been my friend. She was my older brother's friend first. I feel like I've met all the people I love so much through my oldest brother Jay. He literally introduced me to my husband, to Sneh. And they've become like such integral part of my life. So thank you, Jay. But yeah, every birthday, you know that one friend that goes out of their way to do whatever they can for you, and it's not because of anything else, but because they just feel good doing it. And she's one of those amazing friends, and she made me feel special. She makes me feel special every single birthday, no matter what. And this birthday, even during the lockdown, she sent me like gifts a week prior to my birthday. So on day one, she gave me like a book. Then the alternate day, she gave me a popcorn and my favorite milkshake. I mean, yesterday she sent me a brownie from Theobroma, which I love, which my older brother ate because I wasn't around. And then she sent me this Bath and Body Works aromatherapy candle along with it. It's literally just the small gestures and the thought, you know. It's the aromatherapy thankful frankincense and myrrh. It smells beautiful, and she just knows exactly what makes me happy. Oh yeah. And I'm home. I don't have much to do today, so I'm just going to chill, I guess. And I'm vlogging the day. My mom is cooking, so I'm definitely gonna take you and show you what she's making. I'm eating seafood. I told her a month ago that I wanted to eat her prawn pulao, which I absolutely adore. I love her prawn pulao, so she went specially for me to the market. She got prawns and everything. Yeah, I don't know what happened here to my lip, but it's okay. It's okay. My mom is making fish curry for lunch. Yeah, this is coconut in everything. We add coconut. It's my birthday. What have you planned for me? Stop yawning. It's not that boring.
Shut up, cuz. What's the plan?
Where are my gifts? Are you hiding it?
They're on the way.
It's tonight. How are they still on the way? Why are boys so lazy? Like, I don't understand. They'll order at the last minute. Like 28th they'll order when first is the birthday. I know I'm asking for gifts, but I can. Hello, I'm back. So my friend sent me another gift, which I think is this. Oh my god, this is so cute. And I've got like more gifts. I think this is from a follower. How did she get my address? I don't know, we'll see. Look. Oh my god, you guys, it's officially my birthday. Okay, there's like a massive note over here. Hey Maz, happy 28th birthday. It is so unusual of me going out for any vlogger, but this is how much I resonate with you. Oh my god, who is this? I'm Ayushi, your ardent follower. I'm as much as an admirer of you as you are of Patrick Ta. I've been following you since years now, and you feel like you're my homie, and you agreed to help me out by sending me a few makeup products that would help my journey ahead. It is really a thankless job. You are kind, lovable, humble, and pure. Oh my god. And achieve everything you ever wanted to in the same energy. I love you. Have a blast. I thought of sending some pretty candle lanterns from IKEA, as I've seen you placing the candles just as they are. I thought it could look fancy and you could take them to your new house, I hope. Oh my god, what? Guys, you don't have to send me gifts. Like, you have done so much for me in my life that I could possibly... I can't even repay you guys, okay? You do not have to send me any gifts. Oh my god, this is so sweet. You guys, this is so sweet. She sent like a candle cage. Why do you guys know me so well? I can't. Thank you so much. I love you. My best friend sends me a flower arrangement full of roses. Ready for some lunch. So yum. Love this food, by the way. You know what I'm saying? It's my favorite. Mom makes special lunch for me. Another gift came in by Style Ash. On each photo there's like a letter thing. First one is, you'll definitely rock this one. We know padded is not your thing, but we still ask you to give it a shot. So they sent a top with inbuilt pads, I guess, and with one strap. So let's see. Thank you so much. Crop top. This is actually a really cute crop top. Oh, they've attached a photo and it looks something like this when you wear it. Oh, this is so sweet. Your amazing gifts. You guys have spoiled me so much. We have another gift from Priya. Loving this packaging, by the way. It's 6:30, you guys, and I thought I'd get ready. I do my hair a little bit. I'm definitely gonna get dressed because we are having a dinner party with my brothers and his girlfriend and things like that. So alright guys, it is 7:30 and I'm just going to get ready. Super basic. I'll do a basic like I always do. My favorite go-to products. I don't wanna it's at home only, but still it's my birthday, you know. So I don't think I'm gonna like show you my makeup process because it's really dark, and also it's basically the same thing. You can literally predict what I'm about to put on my face. The Fasali liquid glass goes with me everywhere. This product is exceptional. If you've used it, okay, see, I've started a tutorial. I just need to zip it. Okay, I tried to change my lighting. Now I hope you can see some of my makeup. Dude, I'm using this Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. Firstly, it smells amazing, and secondly, dude, it applies so beautifully. I'm applying this champagne color. Okay guys, I'm ready. This is the final look. I know you can't see it well because of the lighting. And for my hair, I'm probably gonna just do some twisties because I just like the hair out of my face. And also it gives you like a eyebrow lift.
So, how we were thinking of doing this if we did not have this amazing pump that he got. So we were gonna blow with our mouth and do it, but that seems impossible and very time consuming.
I've organized a surprise lunch for Miles.
But where is it? This lunch?
So it's in a like a hidden restaurant that no one knows of. It's not on Zomato. I've booked out the entire place and I've hired an event organizer.
Happy
birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. It's tomorrow, by the way.
Happy birthday! It's not today. It's preparation. It's not today. Wait, there's a lot of time.
Oh my.
Happy birthday!
Babe, it's tomorrow.
No, it's today.
No, it's today. It's today.
Yeah, go. Arey, the camera's on. Walk a little.
Oh my god. This is supposed to I feel really big. I'm supposed to attach this.
Yeah.
I'm sitting on my throne of 28. We're about to play some music.
Been friends since 1995.
Wow, what do we have here? Prawns biryani, prawns pulao, dum aloo. We have fish curry. Yummy in my tummy.
Hey, happy birthday, baby.
Did you prepare all this?
Yes, Miles. This is your birthday gift.
I'm so
Miles, on a serious note. Guys, please, this is coronavirus.
शादी के बाद यही होती है बेटी.
मैंने पूरा पैसा हमारे घर के लिए बचा के रखा है. हमारी शादी भी नहीं हुई, शादी के लिए भी पैसा बचाना है अभी.
These are all excuses. But I'm happy.
Next year अच्छे से करूँगा. This year experience.
No, yeah, I'll hold you the whole year of experiences. This is my birthday gift. This is my birthday gift through the entire year.
Absolutely. So many balloons, my lungs, my life.
I'm pretty sure you got people to do it for you, like you always do. You always get people to do stuff for you. That he delegates
That
really
does
well.
not change anything.
फूक के सांस बाहर गई है इस बार. मेरा बदन दूध रहा है.
Oh God.
Same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years they would grow us apart, yeah.
शादी के बाद यही होता है बॉस.
Continue.
He's gonna bleed from his nose now.
Can we play and rewind? Yeah, those are the guys you choose. They don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you for so long. And it's killing me to see you there with a broken heart. If you knew, I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you coming like a wrecking ball, crying on me, saying how they make you feel so small. When the rain couldn't get any clearer, I'm the one holding up all your mirrors, baby. Hurry up, back to me, why'd you ever move on? Yeah, you're making me confused. I'm the one that you should choose. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you for so long. And it's killing me to see you there with a broken heart. If you knew, I've been waiting on you.
Mom gifted me this amazing something. It's very heavy.
It looks damn heavy, yeah. Mother,
Now I know what this is.
I'm officially alive.
You guys, pot. It's a pot that I had requested my mom for.
I'll send you the link.
And mom, this is damn heavy, yeah? Look at the color, dude. I love it. I love it so. Look how heavy it is. Like going. It is so nice. Thanks, mother.
We gave it together. You are getting old, lady. Birthday gift.
शादी के बाद यही होता है guys, gift change to cutleries.
That is true, huh? Like all home items.
And mom wanted me to buy a washer, a salad washer.
I would have loved that. Hi guys, okay, I'm gonna stop you right here. I have a story time before we move forward, and this part of the story is really important simply because I want to let you know what exactly happened in the morning of 1st of August before the rest of the video. Okay, so wait, listen to this and then we can continue. Okay, so I wake up on 1st of August really annoyed with Akhil simply because I thought like the morning of 1st August would be different, you know. He would wake up early, make breakfast. Like I have these massive expectations of people doing small things on my birthday, so it's not necessarily like massive gestures or like materialistic things. I really like it, or I expected Akhil to like make breakfast in bed or like things like that. Okay, so when he didn't do any of that, and when I woke up, he woke up an hour late, which really pissed me off. Okay, so I was like, what is happening here? Why is 1st of August so regular? Why am I not feeling like it's my birthday? I was PMSing a lot. Okay, I've never felt my mood swings go high so fast. Okay, they have been irritable but not so messy. So I was extremely moody, I was upset, and so I went into my room and I started like sketching and things like that. I started journaling, I started doing my own things, and then he woke up and he came to hug me and wish me, and I was so pissed off. You know, I was mad at him for it being just a regular morning, and he kept saying, do you want to make plans? Like, let's make plans, let's call our friends. And I'm just like, you should have made the plan, you should have like surprised me or something, you know. Why are you asking me what my birthday plan is? So basically I was annoyed with him, and the fact that nothing was happening on 1st of August and nobody planned anything for me. My friends didn't come to meet me the previous night or that very next morning. So I was like, what is going on? Okay, yes, I have high expectations on my birthdays. I make it out to be the special day, which it is. I feel like everyone's birthday should be extremely special. However, Akhil got like he felt really bad and he felt guilty, and I was like guilt tripping him into all of the things he didn't do for my birthday, and the day had not even begun. It was around 11 a.m. So he's like, he just got hit without his coffee, and it was so hot, and I just started like blurting out my feelings to him. So he was really like confused and he felt really hurt. So on my birthday morning, me and Akhil arguing is just out of the norm. I was like, what is happening? Like, why hasn't he planned anything? Why didn't my friends do anything? And my mood swings were going off the charts. I wanted to cry, I was upset, and he just like reacted, and he felt so bad, and he's like, I'm gonna get my coffee, I don't know what's wrong with you, I told you I'll plan your day, but I'm too tired. And he just walked out of the room, which is so unlike Akhil. But at that moment I didn't really think about it, right? Because I was pissed too. He just reacted, because Akhil usually never reacts. He sits and talks to me, he allows me to you know, share my feelings, he shares his feelings, we talk, we come to a common ground. That's just who we are as couples. But he just stormed out of the room and he's like, yeah, you just always have these expectations and I can't fulfill them all the time. And he stormed out, and I was like, I locked myself in the room, I started crying, I started watching a TV show. I did not open the room for 2 hours. He came from his coffee break and he started knocking on the door. He's like, Miles, open the door, open the door. And I'm just like, I want to be alone, leave me alone. So dramatic, okay? My mood swings were on fire, and all my girls out there would understand what this feels like. It just, I know no guy is gonna understand this, but it's just something you cannot control, okay? Then I was like, you know what, forget it, I'm just gonna open the door. So I opened the door and he's like, you know, he's just like trying to make it up to me, and he's like, let's go anyway, I made a plan, I called your friends, let's change, I want to take you out. I'm just like, I'm not going anywhere. Like, we argued on my birthday morning and you've not planned anything, so I'm not going anywhere. What's the point? Then he's like, come on man, like don't make me feel bad. Now I called them and made a plan, let's go. So I was like, okay fine. So I changed. So yeah, that was my morning and that was our morning. We were super pissed, but then we controlled it. I took a deep breath, we kissed and made up, and I was like, okay fine, let's go meet our friends and let's celebrate my birthday. So I thought we were meeting our friends, but I'm not gonna say too much. Let's continue and you can see what exactly happened. Let's go. Where are we going?
But on a serious note, I've never been here before, so even I'm gonna figure it out.
Oh, going out somewhere. I had no idea. I guessed a few places, but that was not correct. So we'll see. I still don't have any idea where we are going. No clue at all. I know we're in Hill Road, but that's all I know. I have no freaking idea where this town, like look at this you guys. What is this place? Oh my god, what is this?
What's that thing?
What? I don't know anyone who lives here.
Happy birthday.
Thank you! Oh my god!
Happy birthday, Narcis.
What is this? Oh my goodness!
Special lunch.
Oh my goodness! This is incredible! Ah! I'm a little surprised. I mean, I'm very, very shocked. Oh my god! I'm a little like stunned right now. I need to like take this in.
Take it in, Mom.
This is too much!
Happy birthday.
Oh my god! Oh god, now I feel like a thing. Oh my god.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love
Oh
to
my
hear
god,
your
you
voice.
guys! Look at the detailing of every single thing.
Dude, these flowers are something else. I can't believe it.
Guys, these are like real flowers she imported from somewhere. This is incredible surprise. Hi guys. I don't know how much came on camera. Like I'm not sure. I tried to capture it, but this is the most special date ever. Look, there's like candles, like a million candles, and really cannot. Like, I expected anything but this. Oh
What are
my,
you talking about, Miles?
babe.
In the lockdown, I couldn't take you outside, so we made it inside.
That photograph and the flowers. Oh my goodness, which go all the way down. This room is not ready yet. This whole place, she said, is not ready yet. Paintings need to be done and everything. But I was like, what? This is perfect. Look at this next to me. My photograph. My engagement photograph. Oh my god, this is so much detailing. And there's an entire like set menu with champagne and wine. Happy birthday, Mom. Oh my, at first literally tears were coming, but I was so shocked that I couldn't breathe. Like my emotions were like confused. It's like, should I cry? Should I be shocked? I didn't know how to react.
Khalid's first wife birthday, so that's why so much setting.
Dude, no, you have
FYI.
set the bar. I can't. I don't know how you do this. Why do I even like? I don't know. I feel so bad. I'm telling you the story later, guys. At night. No.
कैसे किया रे कैसे किया
थोड़ा 4-5 ग्रुप बनाते हैं WhatsApp पे.
I like all my teeth are showing at this point. Too many emotions going through me right now, you guys. Like I'm just soaking it all in, so I'm gonna be and then film later because thank you so much. This is too.
I love you.
I love you so much. This is
I
incredible.
know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
Alright, Miles, it's your birthday. You're turning 28, so we have a special menu planned for you. It's a 5-course meal. The theme is umami, and the first course is an umami souffle, right?
Yeah.
So umami souffle has burnt garlic souffle with soy something dong guang shashi.
Matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget.
It's the pinata of like my filter.
You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you
So yeah guys, that was it. That's all I filmed. We were so tired and we went home. It was a tiring day, but I'm just so happy and lucky to have people around me that know what I want and what I like and just deliver anyway. They're so sweet and so kind. Even during this pandemic and this lockdown, my husband Akhil and Veronica were able to pull this beautiful date for me, and it just felt so special. That's why I felt so bad for getting so mad at Akhil for not planning anything, but I guess I should have had a little faith. But thank you guys for all your birthday wishes and your blessings. It's all I will ever need for the rest of my life. I'm 28 years old, so cheers to 28. You've been with me through so many birthdays and anniversaries, and you're so special to me. I just want you guys to know that you guys are my ride or die, and I love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for so much love on every single thing that I do. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.